What's going on, guys? This is Sam, and today Apple released iOS 12 Developer Beta 8 and iOS 12 Public Beta 6 to developers and public beta testers respectively. All of the performance issues that were present inside of iOS 12 Developer Beta 7 have been corrected. Opening apps is pretty normal now. There are not any app indexing or delay launching issues, and Apple has confirmed in the official release notes that that is the only real change in this update, which can be expected because this is coming only 2 days after iOS 12 Beta 7 was initially released for everybody. So that being said, there were two changes in iOS 12 Beta 7 that you can take a look at. Right here, the first one is a new Measure app icon. I talked about this in my video just a couple days ago, but the line here is dotted. It is now horizontal rather than vertical. Pretty small change there, but I definitely like the design of the Measure app icon. And then for FaceTime, Group FaceTime has unfortunately been removed from iOS 12. Apple has confirmed that Group FaceTime no longer coming with the launch of iOS 12. It should be coming in another update later this year. Apple claims it's going to come in the fall, so I'm definitely a bit worried that Apple won't be able to figure out whatever the issues are in a reasonable amount of time, because some features announced in June of 2017 didn't actually come to iOS devices until May of 2018, which is definitely crazy. I'm sure Group FaceTime won't follow that same trend, but definitely a little bit frustrating that Apple did remove it and it will not be launching with iOS 12. There's also a new splash screen for messages in iOS 12 Beta 7 and Beta 8 as well. It says do more with your messages, a new way to share. And then there's also this right here, which is actually a pretty big deal. Your conversations streamlined. Messages will be kept in a single conversation when you send or receive from linked iMessage addresses. So hopefully, whether you use your phone number or email, or you're contacting your friends with their phone number and email linked, it won't actually put it in separate conversations. It says it's going to be streamlined now, which is fantastic. It's a change I've been waiting to see for a number of years. Aside from those two changes, though, there wasn't much else to talk about with iOS 12 Beta 7 and not much else to talk about with iOS 12 Beta 8. The performance and battery life on iOS 12 has continued to be really great for me. And as always, I did run a quick Geekbench test, 4253 for the single core score, 10,605 for the multi-core score. So just a little bit lower than iOS 12 Beta 6, which is honestly really impressive. My year-old iPhone 10 just continues to get faster with pretty much every new iOS 12 update, which is incredible. So that's all you need to know with iOS 12 Beta 8. Of course, as more iOS 12 updates come out, I'll be sure to update you here on YouTube. But if you enjoyed watching, drop a like down below. Of course, subscribe for more iOS 12 videos in the future. But for now, I've been Sam. I hope all of you are doing great, and I'll talk to you in my next video.